The great legal and constitutional labor of this generation, of this century, is to ensure that processes, bureaucracy, government, and major companies which control the greatest resource of our future, which is digital information, is managed by the power of law, of constitution. That will create a form, a structure, an architecture that can define the management of information towards human satisfaction, individual satisfaction, the outpouring, the stretching, and the definitions of human satisfaction is in the sphere of human rights and privileges. A charter of human rights and privileges to extend beyond those defined in the American Constitution is what is required today to protect the individual and to ensure that the individual will becomes the pod that mobilizes services and the authority of governance is to be guided and measured specifically by the individual will, not by the will of companies or profit makers or toll takers, but grown and informed and driven by the individual will. That around which will create vistas of opportunity for every individual and how they interact with each other. And that is the economy of our future. Now, is this an abstract idea? Well, abstract ideas are able to conform systems, and if they are choreographed with sets of other abstract ideas using the potential to latch on to developing technologies, then they become an architecture in their own right, a technology in their own right, and they can change the course of history. And that is what is required today. New, innovative, architectural thinking of the way for optimal administration, together with anticipating the oncoming technology which can guide it. And this is the difference between being cutting edge and developmental or to be outdated and soon to require reform.